Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something from the past. This is a Shirogorov custom division Hati black, and it's something you don't see that often. So let's go ahead and check this out. But you know what? Also, you could check it out. Check out Fablades.com. Maybe there's something interesting right over there. You can also check out at Fablades on Instagram and see what's going on over there. Also, you can check out the comments right over here. Check out this subscribe button right over here if you didn't check it before. It's very interesting. It does wonder. Here you get the certificate of authenticity of this time capsule. Of course, you get your Shirogorov cloth, but most importantly, you get the Hati black. This is a spectacular finding because it's extremely rare. You have a PVD coated blade, frame lock, carbon fiber scale. You have the old style blade, F95, right? With no swedge, just a little bit of cutout right there. You get some 3V steel, guys, something you really do not see on a Shirogorov knife whatsoever. This is a custom division, but it is a special custom division. I don't know if you can see right over here. It says custom division number 4. So this has been confirmed with Shirogorov, and this is the 4th knife ever released by the custom division team. 4th. So this is a piece of history. It is a very rare find, something truly spectacular. You can also check out my maintenance video about this one, because this guy is running on washers and has a bushing pivot underneath the hood. It also has a blue anodized titanium collar on the show side only, as you can see. The milling pattern on the show side is exactly the same as on the lock side. You have a blue anodized clip showing screw, externally mounted stainless steel lock face insert. This 3V PVD coated blade is just something spectacular, and that's why they call it the Hati black, because it's all black. And it is a gorgeous one. Really cool flipper tab. This is the washers, guys. So you have like a free fall and just like a nothing, no guillotine effect, but just smooth closing, because this fella again is on washers. So very cool. Of course, this guy has a blue anodized back spacer, lanyard hole integrated, has all the bells and whistles of a custom division, internal milling pockets. It doesn't have the roller bearings and the captive pivot and the 3D scale, but this, guys, is something from the past. So right now, I want to do something with you, because, I mean, this would be like this classic review for like a Hati black, yeah, blah. But we can do something special here. Just put the Hati black right over there, because I got the current Hati. This is the Hati magnetic. So you get to see an evolution, which is pretty unusual to see. This is like really the very first Hati custom division. And this is the very last Hati custom division. So you get to see the improvements, everything improved, guys. Like carbon fiber, carbo tie. I mean, I'm not even going there. This is just like plain carbon fiber, and this is magnesium dust infused into the carbon fiber. So yeah, crazy. There's 3D milling going on over here. This is indented. This is just flat. The level of milling on the back, you can see it by yourself, how sharp, how crisper it became. The evolution is evident. There has been a change in the pivot, of course, in the collar, of course. The pivot system is completely redesigned, by the way. The collar here is integral part of the bearing tracks that are underneath, whereas here, no, this is a separate piece. And here there's washers, by the way, and this is single row roller bearing system going on over there. Check at the back. Of course, this guy has a slimmer stock blade. You get 3mm, you get 4mm. Therefore, the overall thickness is going to be impacted for sure. Flipper tabs. Yeah, you see the difference there. You see the difference there on the landing area right over here. You clearly can appreciate the difference going on in the backspacer. Beside the thickness, this is like a floating backspacer, and this is not. Lanyard hole integrated is the same thing, but look how the end of the backspacer is made. Look at the floating backspacer on the left. Stunning. Hati Magnetic lost the show clip screw, gained a hidden screw. The body screw got smaller. The clip got an indentation right there to allow more room for the bit to avoid scratching the clip, like in this case, you would probably do. The lock bar cutout has become external because it has been proven to be superior. Stainless steel lock face insert has been screwed in from the inside, meeting this thicker part of the lock bar right there to ensure more secure engaging with the screw. Of course, on the back you have different milling. You have a little bit of a area here, which is different, of course. The pocket clip lost one chamfer. You see, he has two chamfers here on the Hati, and the magnetic has only one over here, but gained, of course, a micro milling clearly. Blade shape, clearly different. So beside the steel, of course, we get S90V and we got 3V steel, PVD coated, non-coated. Here we have dual tone finish, stone washed flats and primary bevel and polished flats. You get very different jimping. Functional, less functional. Less nice, more nice. You have a wider cut on the blade, and definitely you have less straight edge compared to this. You have a little bit more pronounced belly and taller blade for this fella. Something we want to check for sure is the weight of these two guys. So we got Hati Black, and this time we are gonna do it in grams because I like it. So 123.1, 123. This guy is 94.8 grams. Hold on a second, because I got something else here. 112.5 grams for the full custom Thai Hatium right here that came in the mix right at the end. So with a surprise. What's going on, guys? What? So here, let's do like that. You clearly have the evolution from Hati Custom Division Black, Hati Custom Division Magnetic Thai Hatium Full Custom. For that, I'm just gonna do like a comparison between these two guys, and you can check that video out because this was just regarding the custom division Hati, which you have the black here, you have the magnetic here, you see the evolution, you clearly see where the company is going, and actually improved vastly every single aspect of this already beautiful knife, like the material, the milling, the 3D milling, the steel, the finish, the engineering, everything just got better. Still, this is a testament of the fantastic job that Shirogorov has done in the knife world, starting from this fella, reaching out to this fella. You have a bunch of in-between stuff, and also there is like this stuff, like you also can get the Hati production, right? But I mean, clearly you see where the company is going, and clearly in this case you see where the company came from, which is a beautiful place, Hati Black. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.